A Kaduna State High Court has reserved September 24th to rule on application by former Kaduna State Governor Malam Nasir El-Rufai seeking the recusal of the trial judge in his ongoing corruption case. At Wednesday proceeding, the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission (ICPC) opposed the application, urging that it amount to an abuse of court proceeding. In an interview with journalists shortly after the court session, the lead prosecuting counsel, Ayodeji Adolupe San, said the application is lacking in merit and is intended to delay the trial.
Yes, first of all, in all, the defendant filed 4 applications for recusal. That is, that the judge should disqualify himself from handling the matter. This morning, they withdrew the earlier 3 and moved the last one, which was the 4th. And we vehemently opposed that because we believe they didn't make out any serious case that should warrant the court recusing himself.
Adolupe further urged the court to dismiss the application, maintaining that the issue raised by the defense do not justify the trial judge withdrawal from the case.
That the honorable judge should dismiss the application for recusal and set a date for trial so that we can move on. And the matter has stalled because of several applications. Like I told you, they filed 4 in quick succession. 4 applications for recusal. Only this morning for them to say, oh, we are withdrawing the earlier 3. So the 4th one was moved, and we opposed that. I believe some of you were in court, and you listened to the reasons why we had to oppose that application vehemently.
On his part, the defense counsel, Paul Orokoro, justified the application, noting that it was based on concern about the likelihood of bias during the substantive trial.
No, this application is that the learned trial judge should recuse himself because in the bail applications, he made findings that suggested a certain state of mind. And we're saying that going into the substantive matter, he should not try the case. The prosecution is saying at the Court of Appeal, where Malam Nasir El-Rufai has lodged an appeal because of the refusal by the lower court to grant him bail, he's only asking for bail. But what prosecuting counsel was saying was that it was the same matter that was in the Court of Appeal that is before this court now. And we're saying no. At the Court of Appeal, he's only asking the Court of Appeal to grant him bail.
After the argument from both parties, the trial judge, Justice Darius Khobo, adjourned the matter to September 24th for ruling on the application. Abubakar Ismail Kankara, Daily Episode, Kaduna, Nigeria.